Want to know how to detect the operating system using Java? So today I'll show you how to detect which operating system your Java program is running on. It's super simple and it's a really short line code. So what we simply use is we just simply use the system.get property with OS name in it. So this only works on any GUI enabled application, so make sure you have it, and it might not work on the compiler. So what this does is this simply grabs the OS name directly from your system properties. You can also fetch details like version and architecture using OS version or OS arc. This trick is very useful when you want your program to behave differently or for Windows, macOS or Linux users. Simple, fast and powerful. That's Java system property magic right there. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.